You can also create your own themes inside of Microsoft Visio. And to do that, let me just go to design right here. And here you can see that there's a bunch of themes that you can choose from. And let's say you want to modify them. So you can choose the themes which are already there. Or you can go over here. Let's say I'm going to choose a theme and then modify it according to my liking. So you can go over here and choose a theme according to your liking. So I'm going to go over here. Let me just go for more, let's say for example, a more bluish look right here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the colors. So you can see here again there are variants. So I can select the variants I want, and I can choose different color variants that I want to add in again. But let's say I want to add in my own variant of the color. So now what I can do is I can create new theme colors right here, and I can rename the theme color as 222. I'm just going to do that. And here are the theme colors that you can choose from. Let's say I want to choose red right here, and I want to choose something like this yellow accent right here. This is going to be orange. So let's say for example, I want to give it a more reddish type of a tone right here. I can also choose gray right here and even a black. So let me just apply this out. Dark would be black itself, and light would be, let's say for around greenish over here, and background would be something like oranges. So let me just apply that out, and you can see that that vibe has been applied right there according to what I did. So the color has been applied right there, and you can see that the theme actually appears over here onto my theme menu now right here. So I can go over here and you can see that there's effects that you can work around with. So there's integral and other effects that you can add it in. So I'm going to add in the effect according to my choice, something like facet for example. So that's going to be the effect. I'm going to go into the connectors, and you can choose the type of connectors that you want to add in. But in my drawing there's no connectors, so you don't see anything. There's embellishment, so the level, you can also change this out if it is required and so forth. So you can see that this theme actually appears over here. So you have this regular theme and you have the other theme as well. Let me just press Ctrl Z so it actually goes back, and you have this theme as well. So this is the theme that actually is applied to this shape right here, and you can also right click and then apply it to all pages, and you have the theme of your choice. So that is how you can create your own theme inside of Microsoft Visio. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.